How to hide profile on Bumble. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide profile on Bumble. To get started, let's open Bumble app. So this is your home page. Here you can see many icons. So click on profile icon. It will navigate you to your profile page. Now you can see setting icon in the top right corner. Click on it. It will navigate to you this interface. So here you can see snows. Click on it. You can see the list where it is asking how long do you want to be invisible for. If you want to be invisible for 24 hours, then click on it, or 72 hours or a week. Select as you required. It will navigate you to this page. So here you can see deactivate snooze mode. Now tap on it. So in this way you can hide your profile on Bumble. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.